3. SUZUME gestartet, Samhaber Alexander mit der Nummer 177.
Pay attention to the biker on the left. Is this how you diffuse road rage?
What the f are you gonna do?
Why so angry, Mama?
I'm in my lane. Why are you in my lane?
Why so angry, Mama?
What?
Why so angry, Mama?
What?
I said, why are you so angry, Mama?
Sorry, honestly, if you're being nice,
Hey, I'm sorry.
People are irritating, they're rude, and people are just evil out here, and I just thought you were evil. So
I know, no. I'm sorry, Mama.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're okay.
No, I'm not ever like this. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
I'm so sorry. You want a Chipotle card? I was gonna use it, but I...
No, it's fine. You take it. I was going to get Chipotle right now, but no.
I'm so sorry.
You go get some.
Okay, I don't...
Hey, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm
Hey,
embarrassed now.
No, you're fine, you're fine. You have a nice day, okay?
If people were like you, the world would be better. I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine.
I'm sorry.
You're okay. What's your name?
Gianna.
Angel, nice to meet you. Just have a better day, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry for scaring you.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry for yelling at you.
No, you're fine. Don't worry.
Drive safe. Drive safe on that.
You too.
You jump?
No, it's okay.
She did that and then fled the scene.
Stop! Stop! You reverse your car over me! You reverse your car over me! I have the camera here! I have the camera as well! Put your window down! You hit my bike! You even didn't stop! You reverse your car over me! She ran away! She ran away! She didn't open the window! Stupid driver! She hits me and run away!
That's a shame on you! You need to apologize.
Yeah? Don't worry! Don't worry! I'm gonna be claim on you! You know, I'm gonna be a claim on you! She hits me with the car, you know, she reversed the car over me and run away! Yeah, I scare your son! You reverse your car over me! Yeah, you...
11 years old.
Yeah, I have everything okay, man.
You are not normal.
Yeah, me am not normal, right? Yeah.
When the cops got involved, things got even crazier. They didn't seem to care whatsoever.
Sir, check this lady here. She's crazy. Hello there. I was just like stopping there. Yeah. She reversed the car over me, rammed me and run away with the car.
Traffic collision. Obviously, something has happened between you two. We understand that when something happens, sometimes people get a bit upset, emotional. It's completely understandable. As long as you're okay, she's not claiming that you've damaged her car, you're not claiming that she's damaged your bike. So if that's the case, we'll wait here, let both of you leave. We're obviously just putting her through, just to make sure that everything's okay from her point. Obviously, everything's fine, it's like insurance, like stuff like that, just to make sure she's okay to be on the road. As long as everything's okay, we'll let everyone go on their separate ways, yeah? You give us 2 minutes. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Oh, alright, you take care.
Yeah.
This is exactly how many fatal motorcycle crashes happen. The driver thought it was a good idea to make a U-turn from the outside lane. across a double yellow.
Şey var
Şu
mı?
arabanın paniği ne oldu? Var mı bir şeyin? Çağıralım mı 112?
Kırık var mı? Bir yerin acıyor mu?
Yok ha, ben iyiyim ya. Tamam, çizgileri görüyorsunuz değil mi? Çok özgür ya.
The biker made a safe and illegal U-turn, but the driver behind completely lost it and went berserk.
What's up? What are you mad about? Suck my d. Right here. Right here. Right here, man. You're mad because I was in your way? The light was green. You're mad about that? Dude, I didn't do nothing. Oh, you don't? Like I didn't have time for me.
Trying to catch up with his buddy, this biker carried a little too much speed and went off a cliff.
No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. No, no. 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 No, come on, no. No. No, not my bike. No. 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 Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Oh, no, there's oil. Man, this sucks. My bike. It happens. I'm good. I'm perfectly fine. Damn it, bro. That corner caught me good. No. I target fixated pretty hard. So.
You're up there, were you feeling off?
Yeah, I kept losing traction a little bit. But I didn't think it was that bad.
The biker was riding on a shared trail designated for e-bikes, dirt bikes and hikers. Even so, one lady wasn't happy to see him there and decided to let him know.
I looked online. This trail doesn't allow motorcycles.
That's false. It does. Yep, sure does. Thank you.
Oh, God.
Have a good day.
Weird.
Thank you. Thank you.
This biker's battery was completely dead, so she tried bump starting the bike.
Maybe. Have you ever bump started a bike?
No, I have never.
Maybe you can push me. I'm gonna turn around though and head downhill. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah, wherever you want to go.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
But yeah, if you want to just push me, it has to get to a certain speed.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna just try to get the battery to start. So.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
I'm
tired.
Okay, here we go.
All right. You tell me when.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Here we go. Almost. No. Thank you for trying.
Do you need help
Did you
getting
go
anywhere or
that far?
anything?
call somebody, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Take it easy. Have a good one.
day.
Oh! You good?
That's what I was afraid of.
You good?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's what I was afraid of too. Oh, the wrist good?
It's fine. I'll push that on that one.
Yeah.
Slow.
A normal ride through Miami turned unusual when these two bikers were stopped by a couple of girls asking for a ride.
Hey, tell about the fight.
Exactly, that's my groove. Right. Come on, baby. It was a pleasure. It was fine.
While refueling, the car in front kept reversing closer and closer, causing this biker girl to crash out.
Спасибо. Сказала, ногти длинные. Неудобно с такими ногтями. Да подожди ты, блядь! Конченый или что? Сейчас, блядь, я это тресну. Совсем что ли? Вы спешите или что? Да. Дайте время немного. Ну, блядь, я охренею просто. Ну так надо нормально делать, по-человечески.
A cop spotted a biker wearing a helmet, backpack, and face covering, then decided to confront him.
That's not a good idea to come over here with a damn mask on and a backpack and you see a bunch of officers. You that comfortable doing like that?
You ride motorcycles, it's normal.
You that comfortable, huh?
What you mean?
Coming over here, we don't know who you are and you got this damn backpack over your shoulder, man.
Are you chilling, bro?
Be mindful what you're doing around officers.
What did I do?
It's not cool, okay?
Did I do something wrong?
It's not cool.
What's
you
not?
got a mask on your face, you got shades on, and you're walking up to us with a backpack on your shoulder.
Well, you never seen a motorcycle rider?
I don't care, I'm telling you.
You ride too, brother?
Alright?
Did I do anything wrong?
Yeah, you did. You came up to us with a backpack over your shoulder. Can't see your face.
Okay.
Alright?
Hey, brother.
Get out of here, man.
Are you LAPD?
Get out of here, man.
Alright.
You need to understand common sense. Get out of here. Go.
What do you want for the future of LA? What's your message to the people?
Go, man.
Why are you guys always interrupting protests? I did nothing wrong.
Go ahead. Go.
All you're doing is stressing me out.
Go ahead. Go.
For what? God bless you, bro, and ride safe. You be safe now.
Go.
Where?
Sweet green.
Sweet Green?
Where are you going?
I was just riding around.
Are you from here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Lauren. Nice to meet you. I try to keep up for a minute, but I didn't wear the right top to go too fast.
Care if I join you?
Yeah, you can try me.
I'm down. Yeah.
You want to ramp it?
If I had a dirt bike, maybe. Not this.
Do you ride dirt bikes?
Been riding for a long time.
What do you think went wrong here?
Oh crap. I wiped out.
This is why people hate bikers.
Peraí. Vi? Bom dia, gato. Cuidado aí.
It was a nasty crash and also expensive one. After losing his camera mid-ride, he tried to pull over quickly, and that's where it all went wrong.
Nothing leaking. Alright, ready? Oh, it is. Ah, my camera. My camera.
How did that even happen?
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. I saw you had a second helmet on your bike, and I was wondering if I could go for a ride.
Yeah, I do have another helmet. I'm about to actually go get some gas right now. If you want to come with, you can.
Okay, yeah.
All right, cool. Been on a bike before?
No.
Really? That girl's gonna get us some gas right now.
This is so much fun. I love this. It's actually so exhilarating.
For real, you like riding on the bike and stuff?
I'm so happy about that.
This is so much fun. Like, are you having fun?
I had so much fun.
Let me get your Instagram so we can go on like a real ride next time.
I mean, that'd be fun, but I don't want my boyfriend to find out.
Just a turtle.
I'm not sure what exactly happened here, but my best guess is the biker forgot to remove the wheel lock. This biker hit a few small cracks in the road, and that was enough to make him lose control. A ride through Brisbane's party district ended with this biker getting pulled over. Let's find out why.
Yard.
Hey mate, bit on.
No one off, mate. Scenic Constable, Benjapilli High Patrol.
Yeah.
This is your motorbike?
Yeah, it is, mate.
Needed the modifications to your tail side is supposed to have a rear-facing reflector.
Yeah.
At the back of your motorcycle. So your number plate's at an angle. What is that?
Well, I mean,
it's on the perpendicular angle. Now, can you just take your helmet off while I'm talking with you, please? Have you had any alcohol or illicit drugs in the last 24 hours?
Nothing.
Okay. Yeah. Keep going. That's right. Alright, so this is an electronic infringement notice. We sent you a fine up there. It was 28 days to sort it out. Drive a defective vehicle, not comply with vehicle standards. It's all I'm saying because I really have a look at that.
Caramba, mano. Eu ainda buzinei, mano. Quase ficou com a extensão. Porra.
The actual crash wasn't caught on camera, but what really matters is the biker walked away okay, and this is exactly why you gear up.
How are you? Are you okay? Are you okay? Leg hurts a little. Take your helmet off. Okay.
I've got today on the down.
Everything okay?
You okay?
Yeah.
Leg hurts a little.
Leg hurts.
Is there any shade or up ahead or
So we said
and up?
ride down for a bit. Okay.
Eita porra!
If they had collided, who would you hold responsible? These bikers were out riding their dirt bikes, having a blast off-road, until one man had enough and came out to shut the party down.
Ja nie jeździłem, ja tylko po drodze.
Co? Hulnąłbyś? Hulnąłbyś?
Co ja bym hulnął?
Kurwa, już jutro kurwa będziesz załatwiony.
Ja tu jestem pierwszy raz dzisiaj.
Jaki pierwszy raz?
No nie... Widział pan kiedyś taki motor?
Widziałeś kurwa co tam jest zrobione?
Co?
No na tej drodze?
Na której?
No na tej kurwa dziury powyrywane, że teraz samochód koło se urwie. Nie ma tu żadnych jazdów, jutro...
2000 years later.
Dobra, pierwszy raz jestem i ostatni.
The biker looked down for just 1 second.
Meu amigo, você atravessa uma faixa todinha pra dobrar pra direita, meu amigo, faça isso não. Puta que pariu, bicho.
This episode is even crazier, you gotta check it out.